Alright, yɛma yɛahwɛfo nyinaa akwaba. Bigye sɛ Nyankopɔn adom obibia ho yɛde nsɛm no ɛbrɛw ɛwɔ waboboa no. Ana nkɔmmɔ no nsɛm no nyinaa enso ɛwɔ yɛde ma akɔpie ɛwɔ Kotoko training grounds adako judge. Na GH Live Studio. So you subscribe to the channel na subscribe you na wabo notification bell no so no pick all anytime I do video betum bia no you be the first person on sabeka na onso wanya bi ahwe man kizito enso ehye one corner or monitor dwumadie ni gidi ono manager enso ede ema dwumaku no na ede say gracious onso dwuma ne kama enso emfamane ye lunch yourself enso ewo adako judge na yekopie ho no na nkɔmɔ a ɛwɔ hɔ no ɛdɔɔso ne kwan sɛ mede ɛkame mo ɛwɔ sɛ mede ne nyinaa enso ɛbrɛw na bibia enso ɛyɛ kama sɛ o hwɛ me anopa good morning sɛ ɛyɛ awia good afternoon enumere nso a na machia good evening na me ma wakɔaba sɛ abribia munyamre na mohwɛ ye videos ɛma bibia enso ɛyɛ kama ene training ɛkɔ so anopa ɛwɔ Kotoko training grounds ana enumere training asanso akoso na all update ɛwɔ hɔ from now to Nyankopɔn ɛyɛ adoma Kotoko first game a ɔmo ɛbɛbɔ no ɔmo training grounds report ni nyinaa yɛde ni nyinaa enso ɛde ɛbɛma na bibia ayɛ kama na ɛna enumere 23 players ana etimi epie ɛwɔ adako judge a ɔmo ɛbɛhwɛ sɛ training no enso ɛbɛkɔ kama enso ɛwɔ hɔ led by coach Dr. Prosper Nate Ogum ono edi animu a oni players no ɛbaya ɔmo ɛbɛyɛ training but the kind that to when him say this week no tactical training tactical so I will not talk much about the training but I will talk about the players performance our training grounds then their fitness any other things coach Dr. Prosper Nate Ogum the new approach the new tactics are they coping with it like a farmer woman. These are the things that this week the whole of this week yeremo reporting bibia and so at the ebebro and so every hasena bibia and so I come na anyway only 3 goalkeepers ana omu etimi trainee at the Emma Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko 3 goalkeepers Benjamin Chum Frederick Asari and a goalkeeper Nidin Edi Fatal Seidu enti etrose goalkeeper Nidin Edi Mohammed Cammara and so entimi anye training this evening but in the morning he was there he was at the training grounds but one year training gidi bia enye se we pra but I think say a card unya against instructor that is why he's not participating or training anymore. What is the make can I say? Because on your red card in that game, so Kotoko next game match day 23 he's not going to be part of the match. What is the make can I say? So I think say that's why he wasn't at the training grounds. Maybe tomorrow will be part of the players in the evening. Na minko other players are also lunch myself this afternoon or evening. Joseph Ablo, Lord Amwa, Patrick Asiedu, Michael Sifa, Adran Ajete, Daniel, Henry Kwame Ansu, Samuel Tenedu, and Andrews Intim Menu, Baba Jaya, Alvis J. Bafo, Kwame Poku, Saka Dawda, Emmanuel Entry, Isaac Minta, Justice Nkunkuble, Samson Eduku, Michael J. Jamana, Albert Amoa, Peter Amidu Aqua, and then Kwesi Asante, and then Omo Elanchi myself. And so our Kotoko training grounds. 3 players. And to me, Anya full training. 3 players. And to me, Anya full training. But 2. One of the 3 players and so etimi any players a warm up and so and that player was Albert Amoa. So Albert Amoa eka the other players no mama ye warm up, but or you no kwa the training was no kikibon kra and so our training grounds. But Peter Amidu Aqua and then Asante Kwesi and what the omo entimi anye training cra. They were just sitting at the dugout and then monitoring the training. That's all. Omo te dugout wo ada omo monitor training na so and so adakoja. So players with cars accumulation now they'll be out. Kotoko omo next Ghana Premier League game. Justice Blay today he was there. Mohammed Cammara this evening he wasn't part of the training, and then Michael Che Jamina also in a red card, but he was part of the training. And me who say Abrantia your friend Samuel Tenedu or replace Justice Blay position. Ti na coach Prosper Natugum also try no honum. Now new approacher coach Dr. Prosper Natugum media Kotoko training grounds no. Ano she. Mamin Kancho say the second round of Ghana Premier League this season, we will see Baba Yaya scoring goals. We will see Kotoko midfielder scoring goals. You will see them scoring goals. The things per how I mean humanema or training grounds, you know. I see them scoring a lot of goals this season. This second round season. It's a GH Live Studio. Now say you break it with the amount and the now Kotoko boom games. Now we say Baba ya she goals. In team menu she goals and man on omo ye hu adwuma or honum. And where omo place your balls no, it will be difficult for goalkeepers. Say omo chichi balls. And I trained the course, I saw Baba Yaya scoring a lot of goals. Yes. Isaac Minta scoring goals. Samson Aduku performing well and then scoring goals. Defenders scoring goals. So this time all round, all players are scoring goals. Also Kotoko training grounds. You know, say first round, now Kotoko set pieces they're forgetting. I'm telling you again, this second round, forget about the set pieces. Udi Agro, they will score you. On Beshel. And then it is Lord Amwa or your full training. So Lord Amwa your full training. Our Kotoko training grounds. And the players are almost end me armor training grounds. Mohammed Cammara went me armor absent. Emmanuel Corte still not recovered, so he's out. He did not come. Wisdom Bassi Fernando and now on also any training grounds. So the players that I mentioned now, players I mean boom within CCR, I did not see them at the training grounds. Omama training grounds kwa Wisdom Basi Fernando, Mohammed Cammara, na Onihono. But players are Canadian, they were all there. And I want to say Kotoko junior team no ball games and see in TB Kudia Jordan Misa, Vetos Avoka, Solomon Kwekusa. If you don't see them at Kotoko training grounds, almost your personal training because they are playing the Division 3. And see almost a training, you team a training. And so it is supporting MBBA and so a Cammara. Now today someone was asking me about Elvis Chebafo. Awuche egusuo ye training. The performance or training Cammara. The fitness level no akoso. Like I mean in general Kotoko players and fitness akoso. And the coach Prosper Natogum was calling for recovery. Yes, because ne a brain or kakra, but you see, say the players pick things fast. And now, Kotoko players, a back passes are. We will see a lot of passes. One here na one here we can say Basa for number. Amba Kotoko team name. Dabi, coach Prosper na Togum. Also the new strategy, the ideas or the aba, the new system or the aba Kotoko team name. TB Kotoko no mobile games in the first round. Now we say Kotoko passes no ekonenim omo pass ball bebree a coach Prosper na Togum guso or sanso yes ade ne ho adwuma. And now no we Kotoko player na boje ball no gina ball so be 3 minutes a one who gina one say ya be koto one who gina one ya be koto pa coach training ground say efe keke efe ti say we team na oba na players ni nya ho odom be communicate please pebe bi na efa ebia na anko ya mfa ma. So Baba Yaya in team Manu Andrews, Samuel Tinedu, and Isaac Minta, and na in hot training no. Na omo eje chumani ye pa. And I see something about, or I saw something, efa Samson Edukun. They were all complaining, say, guy, the performance for film, the 2 matches or boy, any other things. But I can tell you, say, the performance nowadays, our training grounds, no, APGM, Emupija. And what the seminars was sort Emupija pa. So the new players, Samson Eduku, the modern ball, our Kotoko training grounds, goal scoring ability. And so kone ne pa na metie menu e baze akwa share scoring boot ti ebia na menu a ye frɛ no Samson Eduku and so akwhye ne scoring boot no. Daniel Ajete Adran Daniel ene me hu sɛ na one Lord Amoa hene 2 honom no enye easy. Lord Amoa bokakra na mama Daniel nso abe bokakra and omoti ase how Lord eye ne name the same thing Anna Patrick your friends Daniel nso ye because coach no ana ahye omosomonye omoye nso a efa efe Saka Dauda wo training ground sende na the performance no e was so no ne nsa no still na wa beneji but the guy is still doing well. And so our Kotoko training grounds are medimu enkomo eti mount. And Emmanuel Entry scored more than 3 goals. Our training grounds. Emmanuel Entry, the fitness level no basro. Emmanuel Entry no bad player. But sometimes I see it's a good kakra. Life ni kakra, but the guy is really good. Today, I saw something about him, and very positive. And I have to tell the public that the boy neki kanu pa biuma Kotoko team no be mfimfi ho a ebeye din papa say coach Prosper na Togum and so betimi I get the selections. And so Patrick Asiedu trained today, and as usual, as you know, the performance now was sort of ahwade so aba. The fitness level, so much fitness no that players no aba. Now player way sometimes in time kind of wants him, but today I will talk about him. But just some 30 seconds or 1 minute, I'll talk about him. Henry Ansu, the guy is really consistent. I mean, tells you consistency on the side. Training, the guy is there everywhere. He's there, and the performance with training grounds, air balls, everything. And will show maturity and so what team anymore. Match fitness afa. So sisters akwanya base Henry Kwame Ansu pair with Abola ebefa because today too Samba in Dongani O'Neill did not train today, and he wasn't at the training grounds. So Samba am not training. And the pairing was Ansu and then Ablo, or Ansu and then Ajete, or Ajete Ablo. And so I was center pairs one. Na bibia and so ɛdeda na akwan mu a na ɛkɔ so yie nso ɛwɔ Kotoko training grounds, but Ansu performance wɔ Kotoko training grounds is super. People don't talk much about him, but for me, I'll promote Ansu here today because Ansu is performing well, and so ɛwɔ Kotoko training grounds. Kwame Poku is there, and then Chei Jamina nso wɔ hɔ. Albert Amoa, Timmy full trainer and personal training to two Mrika and Sukakra and Holland Kotoko training grounds report and I end Mete Abraono. Now I'm Canadian. Men can find that out players no, and so it will be a more prepare myself ahead of match day 23. Meaning edit Nadaba Kwame gracious. Call all the social media platforms as well. Nadaba Kwame gracious now what type what follow me on Facebook, X and so na baby GH Live Studio. GH Live Studio. Yedi krobe kumasa asante Kotoko ho nkɔmmɔ paa. Any other Premier League teams ni nyinaa. Any nkɔmmɔ and also a pump it out. Also ɛwɔ Ghana football emu nkɔmmɔ. Ana yedi bro so onyan subscribe to the channel a. Me subscribe we are. Na wabo notification bell no so no pick it all na anytime the video betum bia no. You be the first person I want sabeka na onso wenye bi na wahwe boss man Kizito boss player maybe nim say baby a wo bia nyankopon ebo ho ban no hwe so e kraw ama bibia enso aye kama nyankopon hiraw ene emra unya enso edemame na uhwe me videos share video na ekonenim na wo subscribe na wo share ama onua enso enye bihwe asembise bia no obetimi e de ato comment box wonom na ye de story ebe you no se o se ofre yen mpona ye peke na wa frame 05571555505 o abrochira +233 5571555505 na ye di enkomo enzo isa so be hia wo e wo ha bio.